In this video, I'll show you how to add subtitles to your YouTube videos. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving the video a like so others can find it. So the first thing we're going to do is go to YouTube and we're going to find the video that we want to add subtitles to. I'm going to be using this video as an example, and to add subtitles, all you have to do is simply select the settings icon that you're going to see right here, and then your first option is going to be subtitles. And then all you have to do is select English, and if we make it a little bit bigger, now you can see my subtitles are going to be right here at the bottom. In some YouTube videos, you will also see the CC icon right here at the bottom. You can click that as well, and that will automatically also turn on any subtitles available for the video. Another cool thing that you can also do is to edit the subtitles. What you can do is simply click on options, and here you can edit the font color, the font size, the background color. You can make it green, white, yellow, in case you want that to stand out. And that's how easy you can add subtitles to your videos. I hope that helped.